ikaw, upo ka dito, lapit ka, tapos ikaw upo ka dyan. Pag nabangga, react, pag nabangga niya, react, tapos ikaw upo ka na dyan. Tapos habang umaano siya, ikaw pupunta ka dyan. Okay.
Ano yan, ma'am? Ha? Wala. Bakit wala yun? Meron nga. Pero hindi mo
Tapos ano yung next slide?
It is my right and duty to know what's being important.
Yan, huwag mo nang alalahanin. Huwag mo nang alalahanin. Huwag mo nang... Tapos, ano yung nilay?
It is my right.
Sige. Ito. It is my right.
It is my right and duty to know what's being important. For any circumstances and danger caused by such will be my responsibility. I will be on the way.
Yan, tapos lapit ka. Ikay. Share side place. Hindi. No. Share. Parang hawak. Ikay.